So in this video, I will show you how to add multiple videos in CapCut. So if you want to import the video from your computer, go to import. So go and find the video where you store them in your computer. Let's say I want to import the video. Here at the video, just highlight the video and click on this open button. So now here the video inside my CapCut. So if you want to add video to your timeline, go now and to this timeline like this. So here are two videos. If you want to add transition between video, go ahead and click. Make sure your play stick is in the middle like this, like here. So go ahead and turn on this magnet. After I turn on this magnet, now go ahead now and click on this plus. So now here is the video. So I can be able now to see the between. So now click on the first video. Go to this transition. So find the transition you want to use. So let's say I want to use this one. I'll just click on this plus button. So now the transition has been added. So let's put the transition and see. So now is transition between the. If you want to change the transition duration, click on the transition. So here is the duration. Change transition. So you can increase duration and you can decrease. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps you out.